দরকার কেটে দেব, তারপর যতটা দরকার আমি কেটে দেব। Good morning all of you. Today we shall start the chapter depreciation, the topic depreciation. First of all, you need to know what is depreciation. What is depreciation? If anyone of you can say. What is depreciation? Depreciation is diminution in the value of asset. Which asset? Tangible fixed asset. Tangible fixed asset. Diminution in the value of asset. What are tangible fixed asset? Tangible fixed asset can be computer, land, building, machinery,
motor car,
etc. It is diminution in the value of asset. In the value of which asset? Tangible fixed asset.
sir এটা কি বললাম ডিমিনিশন
Diminution मतलब reduction. But technical definition is different. Technical definition is says that depreciation is the systematic allocation of depreciable amount over the useful life. Technical definition. Now write technical definition. It is a layman's language. Suppose you purchase a computer in 2017 for rupees 30,000. On which date? On which date? Suppose 2017. Today, that means you are in 2020. You want to sell it. Will you get 30,000?
no sir
Because it is due to depreciation. You will get around 7,000 if you sell in the market. So the reduction in value. How much is the reduction in value?
20,000
So this amount is the depreciable amount. So you have to systematically apportion this amount over the useful life. Useful life. Useful life
স্যার বলছি ডিপ্রিসিয়েশনটা কোনটা বলুন তাহলে 23,000 টাকা
23,000 depreciable amount for the useful life. How much is the useful life here?
4
years.
4 years. 3-4 years.
4 years. This is the useful life. It is estimated useful life. Estimated. You have to estimate. So per year depreciation. Per year depreciation how much?
23,000 divided by 4.
Here estimated depreciation for the useful life.
7.5.
There are two methods of calculating depreciation. First one is straight line method and second one is WD method. In straight line method, the value of depreciation remains equal over the years. But in written down value method, your depreciation decreases over the years as the time passes. So, methods of depreciation. In which we calculate the amount of depreciation is two. First is SLM, straight line. Second is WDV, written down value method. In SLM, the depreciation remains equal over the useful life of the asset. But in written down value method, it decreases over the years as the time passes. Which method is suitable for which asset? If you expect that the amount of benefit we will get from the asset is equal over the years, in that case you have to follow straight line method. If you see that your benefit from the asset will vary, in the initial years you will get high benefit and in the next years your benefit will decrease. In that case you will follow which method? Written down value. তাহলে যেখানে তুমি দেখছো যে বেনিফিট পাচ্ছ ইকুয়াল, তো সেক্ষেত্রে তুমি এসএলএম ইউজ করো। যদি দেখো যে আর বেনিফিট কমছে অ্যাসেট থেকে, সেক্ষেত্রে তুমি ইউজ করবে।
স্যার এটা স্ট্রেট লাইন নিয়ে এটা স্যার এই WDV ফুল ফর্ম কি?
It is alternatively called diminishing balance
Radiating balance.
method or reducing
Method.
balance method. It is alternatively called. Done. Causes of depreciation. What are the causes of depreciation? First cause is due to use, which is wear and tear. Wear and tear. Wear and tear means we are using the asset. For this, the value of that asset is decreasing. This is the first reason. Second reason is obsolescence. Obsolescence is the second reason. Suppose all of you are using 4G and the handset is 4G supported. If 5G comes roll out in India, then 4G handset
Advanced
will not longer be used. It will not be, you cannot use this. So due to technological advancement, you have to discard this mobile, this 4G mobile. You have to purchase new mobile. This is the reason, technological obsolescence. So due to technological obsolescence, your depreciation happens.
মানে স্যার যখন এই যে ধরুন মানে এখন মার্কেটে 4G মোবাইলটা চলছে, এরপরে যখন 5G মোবাইলটা আসবে তখন তার চাহিদাটা বেশি বাড়বে, এটাই হচ্ছে অবসলিউশন বলতে চাই।
তোমার টেকনোলজি যেহেতু চেঞ্জ হচ্ছে, তাহলে যে মোবাইলটা তোমার রয়েছে তার ভ্যালু তো আর থাকছে না। ভ্যালু থাকছে কি তার কোনো? 5G তো এসে গেছে, কেউ নিতে চাইবে, তার ফলে অটোমেটিক তোমার ভ্যালু কমে যাবে। যেটা 15,000 কিনেছিলে, যদি বিক্রি করতে যাও 5G আসার পরে 1,000 নেবে না, বলবো টেকনোলজি তো চলছে না।
এখন 5G
Third reason of depreciation is exhaustion. Exhaustion means you are taking out the resources. You are taking out the resources from that asset, that tangible fixed asset. Suppose you have taken on a lease a coal mine, and you are taking out resources from this coal mine. So value of coal mine will decrease. The value of coal mine will decrease. So because of exhaustion, because you are taking out resources, you are taking out coals from the coal mine. So this is the reason depreciation happens. তাহলে কোল মাইন থেকে তুমি কয়লা বের করে নিচ্ছ, তো কয়লা ভ্যালু কমবে কি কমবে না?
হ্যাঁ, কয়লা
কমবে। কমবে। দিস ইজ দ্য রিজন। ধরো লিজে নিয়েছিলে 10 লাখে, তো 10 লাখই থাকবে ভ্যালু, না কোল মাইন নিয়ে নেওয়ার ফলে তার ভ্যালু কমে যাবে? কমে যাবে। Fourth reason is passage of time. Passage of time. This is the fourth reason. Passage of time means you are not using that asset, but depreciation is happening. Suppose you have purchased this AC, suppose for 50,000 in 2017, and you are not using for last 2 years. In that case, the value of this AC will decrease because the time is being passed. So passage of time is also a reason of depreciation, causes of depreciation. Even if you do not use the asset, depreciation will happen. Yes,